My friends, writing good content is one thing. Making sure people actually find it is a whole different story. Optimizing content for search engines, or SEO, has always been one of those things that sounds simple in theory, but gets complicated very quickly in practice. You need to think about keywords, structure, readability, and meta descriptions. All of this has to work together before your content is actually optimized. I'm Daniel, and in this video we'll take a look at Yoast. It's a tool that helps you optimize content and adapt to how search is evolving with AI. If you're doing this manually, it can take a lot of time. Even small adjustments can slow down your workflow. This is especially true if you're not very technical. Today, tools are starting to change that. Instead of handling everything yourself, you can now use AI to guide the process and speed things up. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's get started. So basically, mates, Yoast is a tool designed to help you improve how your content performs in search engines like Google. Instead of manually figuring out what needs to be optimized, it guides you through the process directly inside your editor. It works as a plugin that you can install on a WordPress website. Once it's added, you can start optimizing your content right away without setting up complex systems or additional tools. Yoast covers key parts like content structure, readability, keyword usage, and meta information. All of this is built into your workflow, so you don't have to switch between different tools. Guys, one of the main advantages here is simplicity. You don't need deep technical knowledge to start using it. The platform explains what needs to be improved and helps you fix it step by step. And now with AI features, Yoast also helps speed up content creation. It can assist with writing, optimization, and improving your workflow without starting from scratch. My friends, let's move from theory to practice and see how Yoast works in action. Right now we are inside a content editor. This is where all the optimization happens while you're writing. Instead of switching between tools, everything is built directly into your workflow. Mates, as you write your content, Yoast analyzes it in real time. It checks readability, structure, and how well your keywords are used. You get clear suggestions on what to improve, so you don't have to guess what needs to be fixed. One of the key steps here is adding your focus keyword. This helps the system understand what your content is about and gives more accurate suggestions. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. What's interesting here is that tools like this are now using AI to simplify the entire process. Instead of manually figuring out what works, the system helps you optimize content much faster. Rather than guessing what to fix, you get a clear list of suggestions. You can also see both the issues and what's already working well. This makes the whole process much more structured and easier to follow. Now let's make a small improvement. For example, we can add the keyword directly into the content to make it more relevant. Guys, as you can see, even small changes can affect the score. By adjusting keywords or adding sentences, you can immediately see whether things improve or get worse. This helps you understand what actually works. Let's take a look at meta descriptions. This is the short text that appears in the search results under your page title. It plays a big role in whether people actually click on your link. My friends, this is also where AI really helps. Instead of writing everything manually, you can generate and optimize these elements much faster. And as you're writing, you can immediately see how your page will look in Google search. This makes it much easier to adjust your title and description for better visibility. And here we can also work on the SEO title. This is the title people will see in Google search results, so it needs to be clear, relevant, and easy to click on. Yoast lets you edit the SEO title, the URL slug, and the meta description directly from this panel. What's useful is that you can also preview how the result will look in Google before publishing. You can switch between mobile and desktop preview, check how the title and description appear, and adjust them if something looks too long, unclear, or not attractive enough. And right next to that, we can also look at readability. Yoast analyzes how easy your content is to read and understand. It highlights things like sentence length, structure, and overall clarity. You can go through each suggestion and see exactly what needs to be improved, which makes the process much more transparent. This is important because it's not just about optimization anymore. Your content also needs to be clear and easy to follow for real readers. Mates, once everything looks good, you can simply publish your page right away. The nice part is that everything is already set up and optimized before you go live, so you don't have to go back and fix things later. And overall, everything happens in one place. You can review, adjust, and publish your work without switching between tools or dealing with complex setup. So guys, that's essentially what Yoast is about. It takes something that used to be quite technical and turns it into a much more guided and manageable process. Instead of spending time on manual optimization, you get real-time feedback and AI assistance directly in your workflow. This makes it easier to improve your content step by step. My friends, search is clearly changing. It's no longer just about ranking on Google, but about how your content is understood by AI systems. And tools like Yoast help you adapt to this shift without making the process more complicated. For anyone creating content regularly, this can be a very practical way to stay ahead. And guys, if you want to try it for yourself, you can use the code Daniel15 in the video description to get 15% off across the website. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.